और बड़ी खबर इस समय आ रही है चंडीगढ़ से, जहां पर आपको बता दें पंजाब सचिवालय के बाहर विपक्षी दल कांग्रेस पार्टी के खिलाफ प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी और शिरोमणि अकाली दल कांग्रेस के खिलाफ प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। बता दें कि पंजाब विधानसभा में आज बजट सत्र की शुरुआत भी हो रही है। गुरप्रीत हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं लाइव इस समय, जहां पर ये पूरा का पूरा विरोध प्रदर्शन चल रहा है, वहीं पर मौजूद है गुरप्रीत, क्या कुछ देखने को मिल रहा है और क्यों ये प्रदर्शन हो रहा है?
Well, yes, as per the Shiromani Akali Dal, they say that they have been suspended from the Vidhan Sabha session. उनको विधान सभा सेशन से सस्पेंड कर दिया था Friday when they were not allowing to allow to speak by the Chief Minister of Punjab on Governor address. After that, there is a lot of ruckus which was created by Shiromani Akali Dal. And today is the budget session that they want that all the Shiromani Akali Dal leaders should be allowed to go inside. That was the first point. They were saying they were protesting against the government, and other that the main thing that which they want to protest against the government. They say that the Congress government had failed from all the front to deliver the promises, and that was one of the reason why they had held march from MLA hostel toward Vidhan Sabha. We are reporting from in front of Vidhan Sabha. I'll request my Vijay to show that heavy security have been deployed here. A few minutes ago that the police had detained all the Shiromani Akali Dal MLA. They have taken into custody because they were trying to go inside Vidhan Sabha. So we will also try to talk to the Congress leaders also that why they were not being allowed to go inside Vidhan Sabha, because today is the buzzer session. At the same time, they were able to cross the first barricade, and when they were able to cross the first barricades, after that the heavy police have been deployed at the second barricades, and we can see that now the whole area is very clear and the force is going towards back. That was the first roundabout, that was the first entry of Vidhan Sabha, where that what we have learned that a lot of Shiromani Akali Dal leaders, they have come here. Water cannon was used by the police also, but they were able to cross the barricade. They were able to come here, and from here they wanted to enter the Vidhan Sabha when a huge number of force was called by the police, and they have been taken into custody. The main that why they are going to protest, that they say that the government had failed from all the front to deliver the promises to the people of Punjab. So that was one of the main reasons why they were protesting. At the same time, they say their MLAs, 10 MLAs had been suspended from the Vidhan Sabha, and they were not allowed to go inside. They wanted to raise the voice of the people, and that's why they wanted to go inside Vidhan Sabha. But at this point of time, the police had already taken them in custody. They have been taken to the local police station, and further action will be taken against them for violating that section 144. And let me tell you that here the section 144 have already been imposed here, because nobody is allowed to gather here at that time. That in first barricades they had crossed the barricade, they had violated section 144, and that's why the police had already taken them into custody, and now the further proceeding against them is already going on. At the same time, the road has been cleared. So I'll request my Vijay to show that now this entry gate, that this is the entry gate from where we are reporting that Vidhan Sabha entry gate is very clear now. All the vehicles are moving inside, because this is the only passage from where the MLA, they are going inside to attend Vidhan Sabha. So they had blocked this way. They were sitting here. They were raising slogan against the Congress. They are saying that they will not allow any MLA to go to attend Vidhan Sabha. So now the police had already taken action. They have been taken into custody, and further proceedings is going against them. Back to studio.
जी, शुक्रिया गुरप्रीत इस पूरी जानकारी के लिए।